वेलकम।
Thank you.
सो आप कैसे हैं सलोनी जी? हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing good. How about you?
गुड। आई एम ऑल्सो गुड, थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग। So Saloni ji, before even we start the in this particular session, okay, I want you to introduce to all the viewers, like where are you from, what do you do, and since how long you've been practicing psychology?
Yes. So, my name is Dr. Saloni Sonkar. So, I'm a PhD
Mm-hmm.
in clinical psychology. I'm currently working as an assistant professor in a government degree college, and I'm also a practicing psychologist and a
Mm-hmm.
clinical hypnotherapist.
Okay, great. And आप ये कब से कर रहे हैं?
So,
कितने साल हो गए?
I started the practice for past
Mm-hmm.
2 years.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Yeah, and I'm into the field of psychology since 2009, you know,
Okay.
as I start my graduation and into teaching. I'm into teaching since 2016.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, yeah, if I may ask, why did you choose psychology as a subject? Why not anything else?
Okay, so as as everyone else sees psychology, earlier
Mm-hmm.
when I didn't know much about psychology, when I was new to it, so I
Mm-hmm.
opted psychology because I thought I would learn about human behavior. I would I this is a subject that allows you to actually grow as a person. So I thought I would know
Mm-hmm.
myself, I would know others, and maybe I'll see others face, and then I can tell, okay, what the person is thinking and doing. You know what, that common misconception that people usually have. So I used to have that misconception, so that's why I
Okay.
chose psychology in the first place. But
Okay.
yes, when I started the course, when I started studying psychology, and
Mm-hmm.
obviously what's not to love about psychology. So it's everything is
Yeah.
just so incredible about it. So I immediately just fell in love with psychology, and since then I never left it.
Okay. Great, great, great. So, Saloni ji, you've been practicing and studying psychology since a long time.
Mm-hmm.
So, my first question to you is, when you started studying psychology, now you've been practicing and teaching psychology
Mm-hmm.
in last almost, I would say, 8 years, 7 or 8 years, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So,
roughly.
what is the basic difference do you find back in 2016 or 17 and now in 2024?
You mean like as a person in changes in myself,
No,
or
I'm asking, the surrounding you find, the environment the find, the conversation related to mental and emotional health that you find back in 2016 and in 2024. What is the difference between that?
okay, okay.
Mhm.
So, not 2016, because I would like to, trace the journey back from 2009, because that's when I
Okay.
started psychology. I started knowing psychology. So,
Hmm.
I was very unaware. I was so unaware about psychology, and even, during graduation, be mental health ke bare mein. Although I was studying psychology, and
Hmm.
my friends were in psychology, we all were not so aware about mental health, even though we were studying psychology. So
Okay.
uh, I I got this awareness about mental health when I suffered from it. So that was
Okay.
yeah. So that was the time when I actually have got that awareness about mental health issues, and
Hmm.
its importance. And yes, so over time, what's the changes that I've seen, like that it's especially after COVID, that people are now becoming not so aware, but yes, the awareness level has increased to a certain level.
Okay.
uh, still a lot of work needs to be done in the area of mental health awareness. But yes,
Uh-huh.
because of COVID, people have not only acknowledged key about physical फिजिकल हेल्थ, तब उस टाइम पे समझ में आने लगा जब सब लोग घर में बंद हो गए हैं, और
Yeah.
जो वो फियर जो लोगों में, जिनको कोविड नहीं भी है, उनमें जो वो डर, एंजाइटी और इस तरह के जो इश्यूज जब पैदा होने लगे, तब लोगों को समझ में आने लग गया कि मेंटल हेल्थ मतलब ये सिर्फ फिजिकल पैंडेमिक नहीं है, इट इज ऑल्सो अ साइन और एन इंडिकेटर और ऑफ लाइक यहाँ पे भी मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में तब से लोगों ने ज्यादा सोचना शुरू कर दिया। तब से बहुत ज्यादा लोग
Yeah.
बहुत ज्यादा प्रोफेशनल्स जो हैं वो डिजिटली बहुत फ्रेंडली हो गए हैं, नो स्प्रेडिंग, और वो
Yeah.
बहुत एक्टिव हो रहे हैं स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस। एंड ऑल्सो इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड दैट पीपल हैव बिकम वेरी हैबिचुअल। अब वो बहुत हैबिचुअल हो गए हैं, और उस ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग्स और थेरेपीज को लेकर वो बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो गए हैं, चाहे ये काउंसलर्स के
Yeah.
साथ हो या फिर जो लोग काउंसलिंग या थेरेपी सर्विसेज लेते हैं। सो दिस इज समथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट दैट हैव चेंज्ड।
Absolutely correct. I would like to add something. I have been into this field of awareness on mental health since almost 6 to 7 years now. So before after effect अगर हम बात करें तो generally people used to avoid talking about this topic before pandemic. But pandemic के बाद अभी लोग खुल के थोड़े बहुत हाँ ठीक है, तो थोड़े बहुत अभी खुल के बात कर रहे हैं, बट मेजरली अगर मैं बात कर रहे हैं बट उनको समझ बहुत कम है इस टॉपिक को रिलेटेड.
Yes, yes.
They
So that deeper
talk
understanding
about
is
it.
deeper
Yes.
understanding lacking. Okay, sir. So,
True.
like, if I would ask about your journey of becoming an activist, and
Mhm.
what is it that you know there must be something that drew you towards it, because you were not from this background, I suppose.
Yeah, true. Absolutely correct. मैं ट्रेनिंग फील्ड से बिलोंग करता हूँ. आई एम प्रोफेशनली अ सॉफ्ट स्किल एंड एनएलपी प्रैक्टिशनर. ओके, एनएलपी stands for neuro linguistic programming, which is a study about psychology and hypnotism, a part of hypnotism, but majorly a part of psychology. I did back 10 years back. तो सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट के लिए मैंने ये कोर्स किया था. तो वहां से कहीं ना कहीं वो कनेक्शन एक था, ठीक है. एंड देन आई विल टेल इन 2019 एक साइक्लोन आया था, फानी. You must be knowing, the state of Odisha is famous for cyclones.
Yes, yes.
They love coming to Odisha, not any other state, ठीक है.
Yeah.
So the day Fani came, just before one day, एक दिन पहले, one of my very distant relative, जिनका मैंने कभी नाम नहीं सुना था, जिनको कभी मैंने देखा भी नहीं था, that person died because of suicide.
Oh.
Yeah. एंड उनका सारा मेडिकल चेकअप, पुलिस स्टेशन एंड एवरीथिंग, उनकी फैमिली यहाँ रहती नहीं थी उड़ीसा में. दे वर फ्रॉम रायपुर. ओके, तो उनका सारा अरेंजमेंट, बिकॉज वहां पे बहुत तेज बारिश भी हो रही थी अ डे बिफोर द साइक्लोन हैपेंड. तो मी एंड वन ऑफ माय कजिन्स, वी डिड द एंटायर थिंग फॉर दैट पर्सन, ठीक है. एंड वी एम्बुलेंस में उनकी बॉडी को हमने भेजा टू रायपुर. नाउ इन दैट सिनेरियो नथिंग ट्रिगर्ड इनसाइड मी. उससे पहले भी हम काफी बार मूवीज में सुसाइड के बारे में सुनते हैं, देखते हैं, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ पेपर्स में भी आते हैं, बट नथिंग ट्रिगर्ड मी. वो भी ट्रिगर नहीं किया था. बट आई थिंक ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर कहीं ना कहीं इनकलकेट होके वो इफेक्ट बाद में किया, ठीक है. तो पोस्ट फानी साइक्लोन के बाद आई वाज रीडिंग एन आर्टिकल ऑन टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया अबाउट सुसाइडल केसेस इन इंडिया एंड हाउ दे आर रैपिडली इंक्रीजिंग. तो दैट ट्रिगर्ड मी. कहीं ना कहीं पे उस चीज ने मुझे बहुत ट्रिगर किया. तो आई थॉट कि इफ आई वांट टू वर्क इन द फील्ड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, व्हाई नॉट दिस. देन द जर्नी ऑफ a dedicated journey towards mental health and suicidal prevention, it started then in 2019.
Okay. So if I may ask, like, how what was it like in the beginning
It
when you started?
was, it was pretty much, there are lots of researchers, because I wanted to work in the field. I knew a few things about psychology, but not in very details. Okay. So what is the, statistics report, scenario, research in Odisha, in India, in the world, what is going on, keeping updates, keeping upgrading my own knowledge about these things. तो ये बेसिक एक साल तो पूरा रिसर्च में गया, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, एंड कनेक्टिंग विद डिफरेंट साइकोलॉजिस्ट अराउंड इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड. ये लाइव सेशन में अभी से नहीं, मैं 2020 कोविड से स्टार्ट किया हूँ, ठीक है. एंड आई हैव कनेक्टेड विद मल्टीपल पीपल फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड, एंड आई ऑल्सो started this live session during COVID. ये मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, ठीक है। तो ये जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी वहां से। तो इन 2020 बेसिकली जब कोविड हुआ, मी एंड फ्यू ऑफ द टीम मेंबर्स जो हमारे टीम में थे एज फ्रीलांसर्स, हमने मोर देन 3000 लोगों को फ्री में सर्विस दिया था काउंसलिंग का ड्यूरिंग कोविड।
Okay. That's
या,
great.
थैंक यू। तो इसी तरह से द जर्नी बिगेन लाइक दिस ओनली, and slowly and gradually it developed. So I can say now, if we talk about my journey, the journey started in a very casual way. If I talk about with deep researches and everything, but since last 2 and 3 years, I would say I am completely into it. So it's not only my job; it is my passion, my life, I would say. And I think it gives me a compassionate feeling when I talk to people, help people. So I feel very grateful and compassionate towards that.
True, true.
Yeah.
So, see, this is something like, every psychology student, and, this is something that drives every psychology student.
Yeah.
So, yes, I can totally relate with it.
Agree. I completely agree, Saloni ji, because I have also experienced the same since a long time. But with time, I have learned these things. I developed these things how to express. Because if I feel like crying, I do cry. Because there is nothing bad in crying. मुझे
Yes.
मैं बहुत जगह बोलता हूँ, लड़के के एलियंस होते हैं क्या, दूसरे ग्रह से हम लोग आए हैं क्या, कि हम लोग को रोना नहीं चाहिए। I think we all should cry if you're feeling if you're feeling sad, or if you're feeling emotionally low. There is, why should not you cry? Why can't
हंसने
you
को,
cry?
अगर हंसना इतना नॉर्मल है तो रोना नॉर्मल क्यों नहीं है?
Obviously,
Because these both are human experiences. So if we are
right.
humans, we are supposed to experience every spectrum, each spectrum of that emotion. We are going to experience. हमें एंजाइटी भी होगी, हमें
Absolutely
स्ट्रेस भी होगा, हमें बुरा भी लगेगा, हमें डर भी लगेगा, हमें सब चीज, हम खुश भी होंगे, हम और मतलब love everything. We'll experience everything. That is, so being a human, this is our
true.
human right.
देखिए, इसमें मैं एक चीज ऐड आपको मैं बोलूंगा, लाइक बीइंग एन ह्यूमन, we have to experience all these things, ठीक है।
Yes.
It's experiencing cycle in the entire life cycle, I would say, ठीक है। ये जो भी जितने भी इमोशंस हैं, अगर कोई हमें इम्पोज कर रहा है कि आप ये मत करो, वो एक्सपीरियंस मत करो, ये मत करो, इट मीन्स यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू काइंड ऑफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग ए रोबोट, नॉट ए ह्यूमन, आई वुड से। So this suggestion is for parents as well. Don't
Yes.
make your child a robot.
Yes, and this is the beauty of being human, to
Yeah,
actually experience this wide spectrum of emotions. This is मतलब you can't explore yourself fully unless you explore each and every part of yourself. और आपका
yeah,
हर part एक different emotion से connected है। तो अगर आप इन
true,
इमोशंस से परहेज करते हैं या करते हैं, चाहे वो एंजाइटी ही क्यों ना हो, then you are
mhm,
actually avoiding a part of yourself and you are not fully exploring yourself.
true, exactly. सोनी जी, आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा। It was really, insightful and detailed, session we did today. Thank you, Saloni ji. It
Thank you
was
so
great
much.
talking to you.
Same
Yeah,
here.
it was great talking to you.
Same. Thank
And have a good night. Take care, and we'll see you soon.
you.